Hey, what's up, y'all? My name is Kennedy, and welcome to my channel. So, as you guys can see, I'm looking a little bit of a mess right now, but that's because I was made aware that I do not have a retwist video on my channel. So I was like, you know, what better time than now? So I'm going to be retwisting my hair today, just showing you guys how I usually do that. It has been about 8 weeks since I last retwisted. I usually wash my hair about every 2 weeks. Just depending on like how dirty it feels or whatever. But yeah, so it's been a little minute since I've retwisted. This is what my hair is looking like right now. So I'm thinking for my retwist that I want to wear it like pulled back, like a little side moment. So that's probably how I'm gonna style it. So I'm gonna have that in mind while I'm parting and twisting. But yeah, so let's get this show on the road. I need to hurry up because today's the day before Thanksgiving, and which, you know, that's why I have to retwist my hair, because I gotta look fine at the dinner table. You know, you can't be pulling up to Thanksgiving looking basic, okay? Anyway, so I need to hurry up because I need to like get on the road. So all right, let's go. Okay, so I always start in the back with my hair just pulled up, the rest of my hair just pulled up out the way. And I'm just gonna spray with my rose water that I'm running out of, and use some oil on my part. And then I'm not super particular about parting, so I just kind of use the comb to get my main part. But that's really all I'd be worrying about. I've stopped caring if they're like clean parts or whatever, really. Boom, one row done. So then I'll just pull down the next row. So as you guys can see, I am not using the palm rolling method really. There are a few where if I needed to like get some extra hairs gathered, I would palm roll real quick. But for the most part, I am just kind of wrapping the hair around my finger in a clockwise, I think that is, motion. Yeah, so like on this one, I have some extra hairs out, so I make sure that I wrap any loose hairs around the lock and then palm roll it once. But other than that, I am just, you know, wrapping the hair around my finger in that motion and then clipping it. So that is the full extent of my retwist. Okay, y'all, so I finished with my retwist. I thought that I had filmed me retwisting some of the front, but turns out I didn't hit record. But that's fine. Y'all got the idea. My retwists are very simple. I do the same thing in the front as in the back. I literally just twirl around my finger and call it a day. So I started at like 8:50 and it's now 9:40, so it took me about an hour. I wouldn't say that's too shabby, you know, I feel like that's not too bad. But yeah, so my retwist is now done. So now I just have to let her dry, and then I'm gonna style it, and yeah, purr. All right, you guys, so I have finished styling my hair. This is the final look. Happy Thanksgiving. I'll see you guys next time.